IRS, and Department of Treasury news. Today is April 15th, and today is the day that most Americans know as Tax Day, but today it is the day when Get My Payment web app is launched for Americans to submit direct deposit information and track payments. So, the free app called Get My Payment app, or Get My Payment, is a web application and is a free app which allows taxpayers who filed their tax return in 2018 or 2019 but did not provide their banking information on either return to submit direct deposit information. Once they do, they will get their economic impacts payments deposited directly in their bank accounts instead of waiting for a check to arrive in the mail. Get My Payment also allows taxpayers to track the status of their payment. We are pleased that more than 80 million Americans have already received their economic impact payments by direct deposit in record time, says Secretary Steve Mnuchin. The free Get My Payment app will allow Americans who do not have their direct deposit information on file with the IRS to input it, track the status, and get their money fast. Get My Payment is an online app that will display on any desktop, phone, or tablet. It does not need to be downloaded from an app store. For taxpayers to track the status of their payment, they will need to enter basic information in the Get My Payment app, such as Social Security number, date of birth, and mailing address. Taxpayers who want to add their bank account information to speed receipt of their payment will also need to provide the following information: their adjusted gross income from their most recent tax return submitted, either 2019 or 2018. Second, the refund or amount owed from the latest filed tax return. Last, the bank account type, account, and routing numbers. Taxpayers are encouraged to gather this information before they enter the portal to save time. Americans who did not file a tax return in 2018 or 2019 can use Non-filers enter payment info here to submit basic personal information to quickly and securely receive their economic impact payments. Americans who filed 2018 or 2019 tax returns with direct deposit information or receive Social Security do not need to take action. They will automatically receive payment in their bank accounts. Get My Payment cannot update bank information after an economic impact payment has been scheduled for delivery. To protect against potential fraud, the tool also does not allow people to change bank account information already on file with the IRS. The IRS does not initiate contact with taxpayers by email, text messages, or social media channels to request personal or financial information. We urge taxpayers to be on the lookout for scammers and email phishing attempts about the COVID-19 and economic impact payments. Of course, for more information, you can go to the Department of the Treasury, which is home.treasury.gov, or visit the IRS website, which is where you can get the Get My Payment app, which is at irs.gov.